Hello everyone. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a rich, flavorful Achari mutton curry that's full of desi goodness, perfect for any special meal or weekend dawat. Let's get started. In a pressure cooker I've added 1 kilogram of washed mutton. Next goes in 2 thinly sliced onions, one tablespoon of ginger paste, and a full bulb of garlic, crushed or chopped. For acidity and depth, I'm adding 3 to 4 chopped tomatoes. Now for the whole spices, I'm adding 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. These give a lovely aroma and that classic achar-style flavor. Add water as needed for pressure cooking, just enough to help the meat cook through. Then I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1.5 tablespoons coriander powder. Give it all a good mix so the flavors come together well. Now I'm pouring in 1 cup of oil. Yes, we're adding oil before pressure cooking. It helps blend the masala better and gives a rich finish later on. Add salt to taste. Stir again. And now we'll lock the lid and cook it on pressure for 30 minutes. Once 30 minutes are up, I've opened the lid and given everything a stir. The meat is 90% cooked, soft but still holding its shape. Now I'm transferring everything to a separate pot or handy so we can bunify it properly. Turn the flame up to medium-high and start dry cooking the meat for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring continuously. This step is super important. It brings out that deep, caramelized flavor in the gravy. Now it's time for some ground spices to wake this dish up even more. I'm adding 1 teaspoon crushed coriander, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon black cumin, kala zeera. Mix it all really well. Make sure the spices coat the meat evenly. After 3 to 4 minutes of roasting, I'm adding 1 cup of yogurt. This not only thickens the gravy, but adds a lovely tang to the achar-style taste. Now goes in 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon achari gosht masala powder. Yes, that's where the dish gets its name from. Mix everything thoroughly until the yogurt blends in and the oil starts to rise again. And now for that rich, creamy touch, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of full cream. This is optional, but it really makes the gravy silky and delicious. Time to finish with garnishing. I'm adding sliced green chilies, fresh coriander, and some julienned ginger for a beautiful look and burst of freshness. And just like that, our Achari mutton curry is ready to serve. Look how soft the meat is. Let me show you how easily it tears apart. This recipe is bold, aromatic, and just the kind of comfort food we all crave. Let me know in the comments which country you're watching from. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really supports my work and keeps me going. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, inshallah.